Hi everyone! Welcome to the Crafty Pixie channel where we do sewing projects, craft projects, and subscription boxes. I am Bee. Whether you are new or old to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. It is absolutely wonderful to have you. Um, this has been fun and it's going to continue to be fun. In today's video, I've got a craft project for you. It's kind of a last minute St. Patrick's Day wall decoration. My kids love to decorate for absolutely everything that they can possibly decorate for, so sometimes we need to make some stuff. So I took the those little Valentine heart chocolates. You can get them at like the dollar store or whatever. Well, I took what was left over and made a little shamrock or 4-leaf clover out of it. So it's right here. It's super easy. I took some fabric, just cut it around and attached it. It's very beginner friendly. A little bit of hot glue or Fabri-Tac or 3-in-1, whatever you happen to have. It hangs on the wall really nicely. It's not heavy at all. It doesn't take up a lot of space. And it's really, really cute. I really enjoyed making it. It was something that came to me out of nowhere because I was playing with the boxes because the kids had finished them, and here it is. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload every Wednesday at 9:15 a.m. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, especially if you are a new subscriber. I would love to hear from you. Thank you to those of you who did say that you are a new subscriber in the comments below. That is awesome. Thank you so much. And give the video a thumbs up. It really, really helps me in my assurance that you guys are enjoying the videos and that I have motivation to keep making them. So, without any further ado, let's get to materials and get started. All right, for this project, it's going to be really quick, and you don't need a lot. You can use the hearts from the little Valentine's chocolates that you get. You can, at like the dollar store and stuff. You can cut out hearts out of cardstock. I'm going to use these today. We had some left over. You can use Fabri-Tac or any fabric glue or hot glue, anything like that. The fabric of your choice. I kind of like this one. It kind of looks like shamrocks a little bit. Scissors and a work safe area to do the work in. Basically what you're gonna do is you're going to lay the fabric so that it is right side down, and then you're gonna lay your heart shape or whatever shape you're using. You can do this for absolutely anything. All right, you lay that down, and then we're gonna take the Fabri-Tac. And I found that lining the whole thing at once helps. That way you can just continue to go around. I did have to reapply it in some areas. That's okay. I mean, that's not the end of the world. All right, so apply it like so. Make sure you're centered as possible. And then you just start folding up the fabric. Hold it down a second to make sure the fabric grabs it. Just like this. You're gonna fold it all the way around. If you have a little bit excess fabric, it's okay. It's not going to hurt anything. I cut these a little bigger than the shape so that I had more than enough fabric to come over the edge here. Just keep going. This, like I said, this is a quick little, kids can do this with adult supervision, of course. You know, if the, you know, the kids are back at school and they're like, oh, we're having an, you know, an activity and we need some decorations. Well, here you go. It's, you know, it's Scrap Buster. You don't have to go out and specifically look for fabric unless you want to, of course. It gets, you know, it's a reuse project instead of a throwaway once you're done. And just keep working it around. Like I said, you don't have to use these little heart-shaped chocolates come through. Just clip right here in the crease so that it folds a little bit easier for you. You can draw a heart shape on really thick cardstock and use that, or you can, you know, use anything that you've got really that's thick and sturdy. But this is going to be hung up, so as long as it can support being hung up, it's not going to be that difficult to do. Okay, and that is the first one right there. I've already done one, so I just have one more. You can, of course, do you know, 4 for a 4-leaf clover, or you can do 3. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Make sure that's centered there. Make sure you've got enough. You know, the kids really wanted some decorations, so before they get home from practice, I'm gonna put this up and they'll be so surprised and have so much fun. They take any opportunity to celebrate anything, so it doesn't matter what it is. So we just take it and we fold it over again on the next one. This one's got quite a bit, but it's okay because no one's going to see the back until you take it down. With the Fabri-Tac sticking to whatever I'm putting the fabric to, which is a good thing. Make your little cut there so it actually looks like a heart. Alright, and that's the last one. You want to let them sit and dry for a few seconds to make sure they don't get all over the place. Just like that. So here are the other ones. And then you arrange them. Like so. Just like that. They all fit on there really well. just like that. Of course, you can stick the fourth one right here, but you don't have to. All right, so that feels pretty stable. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take more of the Fabri-Tac and we're gonna line the edge here so that we can attach the pieces together. You don't need very much of this Fabri-Tac. It's very sticky. It does its job. All right, you just stick it right like that, and you can actually lift it and hold it a few seconds so it stays in place. Make sure that you're all lined up. Okay, just like that. Then we take the Fabri-Tac and just go across the other side. Okay. And just hold it there. If you want, you can put some clothespins so that you can hold it, or you can just hold it down a little bit. Just like that. All right, and then of course you put it to the side till it dries a little bit. And so I'm gonna let that dry and I'll be right back. All right, I went ahead and let it dry. While it was drying, I decided that I needed to make a fourth one, and I did. And attached it and let it dry and everything. So this is what you get at the end. It's a very quick project. You can get this done in no time flat. And if you don't want to make, you know, a 4-leaf clover or a shamrock or anything like that, you want to do it for Valentine's Day, go ahead and do it for Valentine's Day. And now all you have to do is hang it on the wall. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up. Until next time, see ya!